crack right now? Like, we need to know, are you on a drunken stupor? Is there something right now? And not only that, but now there was a video that came out earlier today having some sort of fit. I don't know if you guys saw it.
He was, yo, that's some real shit.
Exactly.
He was spitting on that video because he was throwing up fingers like he was from Jamestown and shit.
He was on it.
The man said, I'd fight Mike Tyson. I love that moment on the clip, though.
But yo,
like, really?
Honestly, like, this has got to be like one of the most embarrassing
man
things
looks like a bald Santa Claus trying to fight Mike Tyson.
I know, right? But no, this has got to be like one of the most embarrassing things to happen to the city of Toronto. I mean, there was one time during the press conference where the man was like, I feel like 1,000 pounds have been lifted off my shoulders. Yeah, that's what getting high on crack rock will do to you, buddy. And he definitely wasn't talking about his stomach either, because that feels like 1,000 pounds on itself.
This is not the most embarrassing moment. When the Leafs lost in the last 2 minutes, that was the most
No.
This is Toronto capitalizing on some fame for once. Shit.
No. That was not as embarrassing as this.
This is what it is.
This is worldwide.
This is worldwide. Like, here's the joke. We're not talking about Stephen Harper's role in this whole, like, crazy conservative money spending fiasco. And it's perfect. It's almost like he prayed and he was like, please, dear Lord, send something crazy to happen so no one pays attention to the real stuff that's going on behind the scenes. And let's throw it on Toronto.
Because we already know about the Senate situation happening in Ottawa.
Yeah,
but that's being pushed to a
That's crazy. You need to talk to your people out there.
This isn't about Ottawa. Ottawa, we try. This is about trying. This is what I moved to.
That's
I love it.
crazy.
I love it. I know. And
can we talk about the ignorant black people who are like, I still vote for Rob. First of all, like I told you, Dan.
I don't play them.
Girl, you live in Mississauga. Your mayor is Hazel McCallion.
Exactly.
You don't live in
Get it
Toronto.
straight.
Second of all, he's cutting so many services that are vital for my girls who are on welfare, stand up, get it done, or in housing, or have 10 kids and need daycare. So why are you voting? Why are you gonna vote for him now? Because he smokes crack and because he keeps it real? He's not keeping it real. It's a political ploy. People came for this guy was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. He's rich as hell. Did you see his mom and his sister at the press conference today? His mom was like, I'm ashamed of him. I was dying when I was watching it.
So why you think you little text?
That's what I'm just, come on, like black people, we can do better, man. Don't look at Rob Ford as someone to vote for.
Yo, at least he's not black. Thank God he's not black.
Thank God.
Oh my God.
He's from Etobicoke North. He's pretty much as black as a white guy.
I was happy as shit.
If he was black, like black people would never be able to shake this down.
The thing is, man, like this is Toronto. People get locked up for smoking weed, selling weed, and then we got a mayor smoking crack. Like, what does that tell you?
Listen, Marion is now in DC.
Free Boosie.
No, but he's now in DC. What is he now? He got kicked out. He couldn't be mayor anymore. Yeah, now he's something in DC. He got hired to be like voted.
Yo, didn't this happen in Detroit as well too?
Yeah, it's the same thing. Yeah. No, the Detroit, like Kwame Kilpatrick, that's his name. Yeah. No, that dude's horrible though. This guy bankrupted the city and rolled off with the money.
He's in prison now.
Yeah, he's in prison for 28 years. They gave him. That's some real stuff, man. That's no joke.
He was probably on a drunken stupor.
Nah, he was on a whole stupor.
When I've been in a drunken stupor.
He was on a whole stupor. That's what it was.